Hello, Blend enthusiasts. This is a quick tutorial. I want to teach you how to apply constant linear rotation to any object in Blender. We will need this technique for a Kaleidoscope project because that's how we're going to animate the base of Kaleidoscope, the disk. Alrighty, so select any object that you want to give it a rotation to. Press N in your 3D view. Now you need to choose an axis. For me, it's Z. What I'll do, I right-click, insert a single keyframe at frame 1 on my timeline, and then I'm going to move my slider to the end of the timeline, change value to 360, so it does full 360-degree rotation, and then I'm going to right-click on it again and insert a single keyframe. So now my box actually animates, but as you can see, the box animation is not linear. It's taking a little while to accelerate, and then it slows down at the end to stop. To fix that, we're going to press T in our graph editor, and we're going to choose linear rotation to set keyframe interpolation to. So, and now our box rotating at constant speed, but its animation, it still doesn't infinitely continuous. What we'll do next is in our graph editor, we're going to press N, and we're going to select the axis that has keyframes applied to it. And now we're going to give it a modifier, which is a cycles modifier. And we're going to set before mode and after mode to repeat with offset. What that does, it allows you, as you can see, to control your animation just with 2 keys, first of all, and your animation continues indefinitely. So let me demonstrate. I'm going to set this back to off limit to frame range. And so now you can see if I go past my keyframe, and that works in any direction, GX, my animation is happening before the keys and after the keys. It's now infinite. And if I want this cube to rotate slower, I just move this out on the timeline, this frame, and now it's rotating a lot slower. And if I wanted to move faster, I'll just bring it closer, and the rotation is a lot faster. That's the technique. I hope you learned something. We are Digital Monkey School. Please like us and subscribe. Support us by signing up for our Zoom classes. I will talk to you in the next tutorial. Bye.